Welcome back to Good Morning Skin Beautiful.
Good morning, guys. We are so excited to have you joining us for episode 3 of Good Morning Skin Beautiful. We have a lot of really fun behind the scenes happening today that we get to tell you about, so we're really excited.
Yeah, the first thing, which, and ever since I started my business, before my business actually started, and it was just like an idea in my brain, I always wanted us to have like authentic marketing and photos and everything that has to do with us. I wanted us to create it, which you've been so amazing at doing.
Thank you. I'm really glad you had that philosophy because it really benefited me. I've been having such an amazing time. I love that about your business, and being able to be a part of it has been so amazing. I think it really just goes to show how much you really do care about like your products, your clients, your business, and sharing the information that we are like using these products. We are like working with them. We are experiencing the textures. We're telling you exactly what they're doing and how they're doing it and why they're doing it. And I think that that's really awesome.
Yeah.
It's really fun too.
Yeah. And it's obviously like just naturally happened. It's made our community so much stronger, but we are authentic, which is funny because we got a little bit of bad feedback about our marketing.
Just a little bit. It was
it was not your fault.
I appreciate that. I'll take one for the team and we'll make it better, right? Yeah. We'll take the feedback and we'll move forward. And I mean, they weren't wrong.
Yeah. So what happened is if you go to our website, each brand now has its own like banner when you go to the brands page. And one of the brands kind of called us out and said that their photo didn't look as good as everybody else's, and even like screen grabbed each image from the website and sent it in an email for us to like, and we were like, okay, I mean, fair. They were right, but we also just,
it's a lot. I mean, we carry so many brands, so many amazing brands that sometimes we get a little behind.
Yes.
But we appreciate the feedback and we're going to make it better.
Yeah. So we're having a little photo shoot next week for some new banners.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was really funny because that was the first for me. Because I was like, and of course, this is my baby, and we do all of our own marketing because a lot of brands supply us with like stock photos, and obviously you guys probably can see like one website or Instagram has somebody else like the same photos over and over, and we just never wanted to do that. I personally never wanted to do that. So this is the first time somebody was like, we don't like it. But moving on.
That's okay. So I was doing some digging recently, and I was looking up like all the little random holidays and stuff. And I just found out last month was Skin Cancer Awareness Month, and we didn't celebrate.
Yes. So to me, every month is Skin Cancer Awareness Month, and honestly, I always assume it's June because that's when I was diagnosed with skin cancer. So, but to me, like, reapply. This is your reminder. Every month is Skin Cancer Awareness Month because it's like one of the only cancers that is preventable.
Yeah, my grandfather actually had skin cancer, and ever since I was very young when he died, but ever since then, all anyone's ever told me is like it was preventable. We could have, like, if he wouldn't have been so hard-headed and wore his sunscreen when he was in the sun all day, this could have been prevented. So I live religiously by my SPF.
I did not originally, but I do feel like younger people, like you're a lot younger than me, like you guys are all so good about it already. Like I didn't start wearing it religiously until my 30s.
Well,
so
I think it's because of like educators like you online that my generation has been able to do that. I'm also not that much younger than her.
She's lying.
I'm not that much younger, but I do think because we grew up online, like I got my first phone in 6th grade.
True.
So it's educators like you that have been online saying these things to us, like, hey, it's really important to wear sunscreen. And because like when you're a kid and your mom puts sunscreen on you at the pool, you're like, no, get away from me. But it really is important. And like you said, it's one of the only cancers that's preventable. Yeah. So why not take that extra step? Yeah, I'm proud of my generation for that.
Yes, I'm very proud of you guys. Yeah, it's so funny. I think for some people, especially men, they see it as like, maybe skin cancer prevention, and they're like, I'm immune or something. So I've been trying to like rephrase it as like aging prevention and skin health block or something, not maybe a block, but like I've been trying to like rephrase it when I talk to certain people as like, it's not really just sun protection, like it is true like health. So, and I think that's important too, is just kind of like reprogramming your brain about what SPF even is.
Yeah, I agree. I'll do that. Yeah. Reprogram. Okay, Leah, now that it's summer and everyone's wearing all of our really cute shorts and dresses and little rompers, what's the best way to get an all-over healthy body glow?
Yes, absolutely. And I think that is key. Anytime the skin, whether it's the face or their body, is glistening and glowy, it looks healthy. And everybody wants like their skin to look like that from head to toe. So the most important thing is exfoliation a few times a week, just like you would do with your face. My personal favorite is the Lilas exfoliating, like gommage, and you rub that outside of the shower and then you jump in the shower and wash it off. But other really great ones that are like cost effective are the Epicurean, the white sand. I think that's the name of it. It's like white sand beaches or something. I'll link it. It is so good. It is gritty. And if you are like super rough, especially like on the back of the arms or kneecaps, definitely use that one. And then, so of course, exfoliation is key. And then the next thing you'll want to do is, depending on how like glistening you want to be, is apply an oil. My husband really loves the Natura Bise oil, but a really great one that's also cost effective. And it has vitamin A in it, which actually helps your body store vitamin A, so you have less chances of burning throughout the summer because it builds up your vitamin A reserves, is the Environ A, C, and E body oil. And you can actually use that from head to toe. So you can put that on your face, you can put that on your feet. So head to toe body oil. And then I like to do on top of that, I know some people reverse it, but I like to put the oil on when I'm still slightly damp in the shower, and then I'll get out and do a body cream. So we have a ton of really great ones. Of course, I talk about Natura Bise C+C body cream all the time. It's lightweight, smells incredible. So oh my God, like just the smell alone will make you like want to use the product. Yeah. And then it leaves your skin just soft and touchable and like glowy. So that's what I do. And yeah, I think it makes all the difference, and being consistent with it. You can't do it once and think your body's gonna look good all summer long. Just like we take care of our face, you want to do this at least every other day on the body.
Yeah, I think that's super important. I was actually just talking to my best friend about she gets a lot of spray tans, and she is getting to a point where she's like, I feel like my skin just doesn't work with spray tans. Like I just can't do it. And I actually found out about the science behind spray tans and how it like actually works with your skin recently. So I was like, do you exfoliate your skin? And she was like, what is that? And I was like, exfoliating? So I kind of like talked her through this like big rabbit hole about, thank you. I was really excited. I kind of like dump about skincare now. I literally sat with her last night and I was like, sorry, I think it's all I talk about now. She goes, no, I love it. I'm learning so much.
Literally all we talk about around here. It's yeah.
I was like, I do it for 8 hours a day, and then I go home and do it for 4 hours every night with my best friend. I just like tell her all the things I got to learn like from filming this, and things that I like, products that I've gotten to try, and things that you've recommended me. And I'm like, hey, look at these amazing things that you should try. Smell this. I just recently got her onto the Moroccan oil hair treatment, and good. I walked into her room and she was like, what is that smell? And I was like, it's this hair treatment. You should try it.
It's like their signature scent, and it smells so good. And they just came out with 3 more scents for the mist, and I'm like, no, like I only want the one. That's the only one I want.
Yeah, I'm loyal to the mist.
So loyal. So I love it. But oh, and I forgot to tell you regarding body, you have to also use SPF. And we have 2 new body SPFs launching this week. Yeah, so stay tuned for those. And by the time this goes up, I'll link them below if they're available. But
that's
one's
exciting.
glowy, so it will just, you're doing all this, and then you can put a glowy SPF on top. It's gorgeous.
Perfect. It's just like, it's layers.
Yeah, like a cake. Yes, I'm one big layer at this point. So did you guys miss me here on Monday?
We did. We definitely felt the loss of your presence, but we were super excited for you and super excited for the brand. Do you want to tell them why you were missing on Monday?
So I went to an Is Clinical training up in Cleveland. Is that up or down? I'm like horrible. I'm not from here, so I think it is up. Up in Cleveland.
It is up.
Yeah, up in Cleveland. James drove, so I just sat there. But I love an Is Clinical training. It's so funny because we have 100 brands, and at this stage, we've been doing this independently for 8 years, and before that I also, when I worked other places, did trainings, and there's definitely some brands that do amazing trainings where I'm just like sat for the entire thing, like just taking it all in, and there's others where I'm like, oh my. And Is Clinical always, they just do an incredible like deep dive into ingredients and their products. So I love their training so much that anytime they are in the area, 2 hours away, I am driving to it and I am there and immersing myself in it. So that was so exciting. So thank you guys for letting me be away on a Monday, which is our craziest day.
Mondays are usually pretty crazy, but I think it's always worth it for the education. The more that you can learn, the more that we can learn, the more that we can make this place run that's better.
Yeah, and share with you guys.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Speaking of exciting things, while I was gone, you guys had to get ready for something that is launching Friday. We kind of did a little whisper about it last week here on Good Morning Skin Beautiful. I'm still not allowed to say anything, but I'm bringing it back up because you guys took a lot of like images and stuff for it. So
yeah, we kind of thinking about what we were talking about earlier in this episode, like we really love taking our own product photography and just making everything feel very authentic and very skin beautiful. And the shoot was so fun. I'm sad you missed it, but it was so fun.
Well, I'm very I like, what's the word? I'm type A when it comes to anything we do. So it was a little stressful leaving during something that's so important to me, but Stephanie definitely listened to everything, took, my ideas, and we, sat over Pinterest and, saw some good inspo, and I haven't even seen them yet, so I'm excited.
I have seen them and I think they're pretty good. I'm very proud of what we were able to accomplish, and I think you guys are also going to really love it, and it's going to be really fun and exciting. Very skin beautiful, but still thinking like, how can we continue to elevate and how can we continue to just grow and put out really fun things?
So make sure you're on our email list because we are 2 days away. Okay. Speaking of new things, I brought in something for you to try. I'm a big Shark Tank watcher. I don't know if anybody else here is, as in like we're all together, but
we are all together.
Yes, we are. So speaking of new drinks and things we're trying, I found these. I'm always trying to find like new ways to fall asleep. And of course I love a cocktail, but I found these. These are like cocktail like replacements or non-alcoholic. I have not tried the margarita yet. These are margarita. I have tried the mule. And what's the thing with bourbon?
Old fashioned.
Oh, old fashioned. And I'm not an old fashioned drinker. I got those for him, and it is incredible. So this actually uses reishi and lion's mane mushrooms. So it like supposed to calm you, and they're not like psychedelic, by the way. But I thought we could try these if you guys are looking for like things to like a little, like I like a night sipper.
Yeah.
So if you guys are into that and not into alcohol, or you just want like a replacement, try these. I have not tried the margarita yet, so we're gonna do it together.
All right, I'm excited. I remember you talking about this.
Okay. So if it's bad, I'm sorry. But actually, they said this is their like most purchased one. Okay, cheers. Let's try it.
Oh.
Tastes like dirt.
It tastes a little mushroomy.
Okay, so the other ones are less mushroomy.
I mean, it is sweet, but it says it has no sugar, so
yes, it's only 5 calories. That's also why I got it.
That's really exciting.
Okay.
So like,
I'm also not a margarita drinker, but you are.
I am.
Yeah, see, I
would not say it tastes like a margarita.
No.
But I don't think it tastes bad
Yeah.
if you're into kind of like those healthier drinks. Like,
but also I probably could have left them in the fridge a little longer. I just got them and I really wanted you to try it.
Yeah, it's not super cold, but that's okay.
We're gonna keep drinking it anyway. But the old fashioned and the mule, so good. I'm just also not a margarita drinker, but
I mean, I think it's a great replacement. Like this, I do see what you're saying. Like this could be something that like at the end of the day, I could just find myself like settling into bed, just being like, I need a little drink.
Ice.
Yeah.
And they say you still are supposed to like do the lime around the rim and salt with it. So I think too that adds to it. Like you're supposed to actually make it like a cocktail.
I feel like that actually could help. I feel like it is a little bit slightly savorier margarita flavor. It's not like a super sweet margarita.
Yeah, the mule is sweet. It almost tastes like a fancy Sprite. The old fashioned is delicious. It's like a cherry soda almost.
Okay, that sounds delicious.
Yes, but
I love
sparkling cocktail, you guys. So trying it for you. But we'll try a different flavor next week because I want you to love it.
Yeah, and their logo is really cute. It's a mushroom.
It is so cute. Okay, guys, we're wrapping up and we have got to get back to work because we have a lot going on here at SPRX.
Yeah, we have a lot of really exciting things coming up. More content creation.
More product photography.
More education.
Yeah. More testing and reviewing upcoming new launches, and we have a lot coming.
And probably another attempt at getting a good product photo for our brand banners so we don't get roasted by another brand.
Hey, at least they care as much as we do. Yeah. I respect it.
Me too.
Okay, guys, that's your SkinBeautifulrx morning update. We are so glad you joined us, and we will see you next week.
Yeah, don't forget to follow us and like and comment on all of our socials, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.